What is up, you guys? It's your girl Passion. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do a top knot bun. So we're going to jump right into this, and right here I'm just pulling out the, I guess you would call it baby hairs, edges, whatever it is. Not too much, just a little bit, just to give me some little swoop, you know, some little jazz to my ponytail. So I'm going in with some Got2b freeze spray, and I'm also going to follow up with some blueberry. It's like a pomade by Curls, the brand Curls. It smells pretty good, and this is going to help me get that smooth effect. As you guys will see coming up, I use my rat tail comb, and I actually use that to put my hair into a ponytail, so I didn't have to use a brush. I actually like this method. I normally would use the Got2b gel just all over my head, but this gave me a more softer, sleeker look, so I actually liked it. Alright, you guys, so now I'm going in with a little bit of that Got2b gel. Like I said, I normally would just use this to form my whole ponytail, but it's more of a firmer, harder hold, so that I would not be able to comb through my hair the way that I am if I would have just used that starting out. So I just used some of that in the back of my hair because, like I said, I wanted it to be a firmer hold. Now with this hair tie, I am not going to wrap it around that too tight, because once I use the braiding hair, you're going to be wrapping that around as well, so your ponytail is going to get tighter and tighter. So I've learned from the past not to do my scrunchie too tight, because I am not done tightening this ponytail up once I wrap the hair around it. Now we're gonna go in and start doing these little baby hairs. Now you guys can do whatever you want. Each time I do this style, I change it up and do it a little different. I am using that pomade starting out, and I did mix it with some Got2b glue and with the freeze spray. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with the Got2b freeze spray, and I am going to put some wraps on my hair to lay my hair down. and get it as flat as possible. And I'm going to be blow drying it so it can be kind of dry. If you guys are familiar with using like jam and pomades and stuff like that, you know it's more like on the greasier side. So that's why I was saying it was easier to slick my hair versus what I normally would use, which just would be the Got2b glue. It would dry and will be hard, but my hair is still soft because I use the pomade. So I wanted to make sure I laid it down as flat as possible. So now I'm going in and I'm going to braid my hair down to a tight braid, as small as I can get it. And I'm going to do it into a little knot ball and secure that with some rubber bands. Alright, you guys, so right now I'm going in with some braiding hair. This was not a fresh pack. I actually did another style with this hair. If you haven't checked that out, I'm going to link it in the cards up above. It is a top knot bun with bangs. But pretty much I basically just used some Got2b freeze spray, just try to tame the frizz and stuff like that. And I'm just wrapping it around, twisting it, and I'm going to start at the bottom to push it up. And you guys, I actually ended up taking this down, which you'll see in the end that my bun looks different than this slightly. But I ended up taking it down because I didn't like the way it looked. So, yeah. So I am using long bobby pins to secure the hair. Like I said, I did use this hair for another style. That's why it's like super frizzy. But I worked with it and I did it what I needed to do. I sprayed some Got2b freeze spray on the bun and laid the hairs down as well. But like I said, I did not like this way that I wrapped it, so I ended up changing it. And you could tell that it's a little bit taller as well in the end. So this is the end result. I hope you guys like. Please share, subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so you can be notified of my next upload. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. So y'all really thought I was gonna let y'all leave without checking out my last video or subscribing to my channel? Y'all crazy.